Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Let's start on it now. So the engine computer fuse is working, guys. Expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. Now, you guys have multiple up to 7 fuses. They're located in a fuse box under the hood. Go ahead, open the hood here on the driver's side, right in front of the car battery. You see that box that you have here? That lid needs to be open. You have 2 notches. Press them, it opens, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So for the ECU, ECM, PCM, we need to check up to 7 different fuses. Guys, here we need to check fuse number 21, 22, right here, these 2 fuses. We need to check fuse number 57, 64, right here, will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 72, right there. You need to check fuse number 77, okay? 77 will be that fuse here, and fuse number 78 as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.